When you Google a term, how often do you look beyond the first page of results? Now, research shows that 75% of people never make it past the first page, and Google has even released that up to 90% of people don't look past the first page. So, if you want the key to being on that first page, stick around. Colin Receiver here. For the final 2 days of our series on looking at websites that convert prospects into patients, I want to talk about search engine optimization. Now, over the past couple weeks, we've covered topics during our series of content to video to conversion to phone tracking, but today I want to focus on specific suggestions and tips on SEO. So without further ado, let's jump in. Let's talk about inbound links. Inbound links are fantastic if you can get them. They have a big benefit in giving your website authority. However, getting them is very much out of your control. Even if you provide excellent content on your site or in your blog, others may or may not link to you. I've also discussed guest writing blogs and having others write guest blogs for you. But such opportunities are few and far between, and they require work to set up. So inbound links really become an ROI issue. Much like social media, I would encourage you to take advantage of link building opportunities when they present themselves, but I wouldn't spend too much time or energy on it. And I certainly wouldn't encourage you to pay for or use any black hat marketing tactics or link building. The best way to build your SEO is through keyword optimization and good on-site and off-site marketing. That means incorporating the words your prospects are searching for naturally into your content. Here's 5 tips for doing that. First, just like I said, do it naturally. Keywords should be used in the appropriate context in the content, just as if you were writing about that topic at hand without worrying about keywords. This means you shouldn't be using the same words over and over again, as this keyword stuffing will not only help you, it's going to get you penalized by Google. Secondly, choose a few related keywords per page. If you use too many and or unrelated keywords on a page, Google's not going to be able to tell what that page is about. If Google can't tell what the page is about, it's not going to give you the page rank or authority. Third, use keywords in your headings and subheads. You may hear these referred to as H1 and H2 headings for how they are labeled in HTML code. Google emphasizes words in H1 and H2 more than regular body copy. Make sure to use a keyword in the name and alt tags of images. And finally, use keywords in the URLs for your pages. The URL should tie the subject of the page both for the search engines and people together. Now, come back tomorrow. It's going to be our final day of our series, and we're going to look behind the scenes at some efforts to boost your SEO. Until then, keep moving forward.